You know how it happens sometimes that you send all the payment details to your clients, all the deliverables links like photo galleries, video galleries, everything you've sent it already. Yet again, they come back to you asking to reshare the details. Every time they have to make the payment, they ask you to send how much has been paid and what is the pending balance that needs to be paid. And then they lose the deliverables link and they ask you. So for this exact reason, we have come up with a unique client portal of which you can share the link to your clients just one time, and the client will be able to see all the details related to their wedding project in one place, and it is mobile friendly. I'll just take you through the whole thing right now. This portal is protected by a pin which can be customized. For this, the default pin is 000. So let's just open. So the client sees this, so they can see the total quote value, when is the next payment due, if the contract has been signed or not. Each of these can be seen in detail too. So for example, total amount, what is the amount paid and what is outstanding, when it needs to be paid. So all of that a client can easily see. So they can also go through your service terms and conditions and accept the contract. So they can also see the event schedule for which they have booked you clearly, so that there are no miscommunication and misunderstandings. And the client can themselves add a location and save, which will be reflected on your end. And then there's mood board, where the client can share their Pinterest mood board with you, and the client can see who all will be working for their events. They will be able to see the deliverables in one place, and they can also see the status of it. Once it is delivered, they can also view the deliverables in the same portal. This is an example of any important documents that you would like to share with your clients, and you don't have to keep sending the files individually. This is something that you can do. You can upload those documents on your backend, and clients will be able to view or download it. Even WhatsApp group or the link to it is also accessible to the clients, everything in one place. And you just share this one link to your clients, and they have all the information at their fingertips. So this is about the client portal.